Hi everyone, I'm Nick and welcome in this course. Here I will be your teacher and I'm going to teach you how to build an automotive cinematic from scratch. So as you see now, this is the Unreal Engine. The project it's already made, so you can see the car, the environment, absolutely everything what we will have in a couple of lectures. In our scene, I will show you how to build it, from where you can download the assets and absolutely everything. So first, I'm going to start with showing you some basics of Unreal Engine, how to navigate inside the report, the basic settings which you have to prepare before starting our project. So first, the main thing, you have to download the engine. So how you can do it? You have to go in Google and to write Unreal Engine Launcher. So you have to click on the first site. I will show you. It's Unreal Engine Launcher. Here, download Unreal Engine, and here, download the launcher. So when it's ready, you have to install it in any folder you want in your PC. So it's totally up to you. And when it's ready, one icon will appear on your screen, which will be like, I will show you. It will be this icon here. This icon, this is the Epic Game Launcher. So when you open it, you will see this window here. So this is the beginning of the launcher, the main page. So here you have to walk and with your Epic account if you have one, or if you don't have, you have to create one, of course. So make your account and walk with it here inside the launcher. So when you're ready, you have to come here to Unreal Engine on the left side. So you have to click on it, and after that to library. So this is the place from where we will build our projects, from where we can install our versions of Unreal Engine and our asset packs and everything. So library is the first thing you have to click. So here you will see engine versions. So here I have already 5.32, which is the latest for me, one of the latest. We had something here. Yeah, they just made the new one, which is 5.4, I think, yes. So we will work on 5.3, which is almost same. So it doesn't make any sense. So with here, by clicking this plus icon here, you can choose which version of the engine to install. So here you have to come and to click on 5.3.2. Here we can see it because I already have it installed. So for example, I can install the previous one. So when you're ready with the version you want, you have to click here to click install and to choose in which folder to install it, of course. So my recommendation for you is, if you have SSD on your computer, install it there, because the SSD, it's faster than the normal hard drive, so the engine will work smoother. So yeah, install it, and you have to wait a couple of minutes. I don't know, maybe 10, 15. It depends on the speed of your internet. And of course, when it's ready, you'll see it like that. It won't be gray, it will be blue. So you have to click launch here when it's ready. And now we have to wait a bit. Yep. Here, it will be faster if you have a better graphic card. So here I'm with 4070 Super RTX on my computer. It works perfect. So, okay, this is the main page when you open your engine. So here you can choose from different type of projects. For example, we have games, we have film, video, live events, for architectural visualization, automotive production, design, and other stuff like that. So maybe you think now we will work on this one. Of course, we can, by clicking on this and to choose the folder where you want to save your project. And of course, here you can change the name of your project. But we will click on film, video, and live events, and we will choose the blank one here, and to activate the ray tracing, because we are going to use it for our render. So here, choose the folder where you want to save your project. Here, for example, you can write the name of your project and to click create. So when you click it, After that, you have to wait maybe 10 or 15 more minutes until your project is ready. And when your project is ready, this view of the engine will appear, but not with the car, of course, and with the environment. It will be the blank one. So I will show you how you can make the blank project and to start from scratch your project. So when your project is opened, you have to come here to File, to click New Level, and to click Basic, and to click Create. So this is our basic view when we are creating our first project. So this is the viewport, and I'm moving the viewport with my mouse. We will continue with the introduction in the next lecture, guys, to be better to be in the next one. So see you.